Recording myself. Of recording myself.
Eating a potato chip while fly was like literally above your head. Like, bro, you're just weird. You're just weird. You were the weirdest person I've known since like Jack Mackins. No, literally Jack Mackins. Look it up. Look her up. La 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 la.
Say hello to the camera. Bruh. You see what he did. You see what he.
Yeah, you just saw what I did. I just get up. Get up.
That's why I don't record him, because he do weird stuff in the background. Okay,
Exactly. So do you.
Toby, eat another chip now.
Yeah, even worse. The only things that they taste like are tomatoes. So you gotta ask yourself, are tomatoes is ketchup a type of smoothie because like a tomato is a fruit?
I don't know. It
Damn.
has seeds.
Exactly, it has seeds. We all know that.